That's super interesting what you said about keeping the traditional data science team separate from the Gen AI team. So can you talk about why the organization made that choice? Is it working? How does it work? How do you figure out which goes to which team?
Yeah, the thinking on that was that we've got still quite a lot of problems that really are much more suitable for more traditional data science kind of approaches. So it could be recommendations, could be search, could be bunch of other things we work together on overlaps. But quite often it's more of a supplement rather than let's build a completely generative search or do something too radical. So, but inevitably we do have more and more projects where generative uh, approaches do apply. So one example could be that we can use LLMs to enrich existing features that we've got. So if we've got a bunch of products already in a certain category, so maybe they have certain kind of categories that were derived for some other purpose that data science team has to use. And before to relabel all of them by hand would be complete insanity. But now you can use LLMs to just do that in a convenient way that suits the data science team. So there are some kind of supplemental ways, but fundamentally, the type of work that they do is quite different. So they would collect a data set, structure a problem, train a model, uh, maintain it carefully, all the things like that go into it. And my view is that I don't think we should take data science PhDs and make them use OpenAI APIs because that's not really like A is completely underutilizing their skill sets, and they're not necessarily also interested in like building software. And quite often, what when we would build with generative, let's say, if we were to build something with OpenAI APIs or whatever it might be, a lot of the time it's pretty much software engineering with like a little bit of AI. And you still need to build out, I don't know, connections to existing systems, pipelines, data sets, and like UI, all of that stuff. That is not really data science work. So what we find a lot of the time, and there are definitely exceptions, but a lot of the time is pretty much 90% software engineering plus, but it's completely the core is maybe an AI kind of product, an idea, but you still build around it, which is 90% software engineering.